want to go across now to Jammu, where Ashwini Kumar is standing by for a look ahead at that Privileges Committee session with General VK Singh. Ashwini, not the easiest of circumstances for General VK Singh, and we still don't know whether he will be attending or not.
Yeah, General VK Singh is facing two privilege motions in State Assembly and State Legislative Council also. And today the chairman of the State Legislative Council has summoned him that at 11:30 today, he has to appear in person before the Privilege Committee for the allegations he has leveled against the ministers and the former MLAs. As he has said that since 1947, the army is paying the money to the politician in Kashmir Valley. So that is the reason. No, we have to see whether he will appear or not. But yesterday I talked to some of the members of the Privilege Committee. They said they had not received any intimation from the general whether he is coming today or not. But chances are very less. But as per the rule of the this procedure of the council, they can summon him again or they can send a warrant for him. But even if he appeared through his counsel and he can plead some positive things that he will reply next time or he can come tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they can summon him or they can even send a warrant for him for appear before the committee. No, they have to. It has to be seen at 11:30 whether what will the attitude, what will the response from the General VK Singh. That is the reason that 11:30 will be deciding factor for the next future of action from the Privilege Committee members, because the three National Conference MLCs headed by the Provincial President Davinder Singh Rana and the Minister for Planning Sajid Srotra and the Khalib Sohrawardy has filed a privilege motion against the General VK Singh. So that is one question to be seen, because the chairman of the Legislative Council is Jugal Kishore Sharma. He is from the Congress MLC.
Right.
Now we have to see what action they will be taken. Yeah.
Okay, Ashwini, one other thing that I wanted to ask is, if the proceedings don't go in General VK Singh's favour, if he does attend and the MLAs don't find his responses sufficient, what action can they possibly take against General VK Singh?
As per the procedure of the J&K Legislative Council and the privilege motions, he can be summoned again, or he can be warrant can be sent to him through police or through Delhi police or the concerned SSP Jammu. But that is the only scene at 11:30 where the members will decide. But a warrant can be issued as per the procedure of the Privilege Committee, the previous orders. And because he has a status, because he is a former army chief, they may take leniency for sending again someone to call him. But they can also send a warrant for him. But it has to be decided by the council chairman or the members today at 11:30, because they will wait him and maybe his council appear in person, because he may take some plea before the committee. But it has to be decided at 11:30 today.
Ashwini Kumar, we'll wait for the updates from you then from Jammu and Kashmir. 11:30, as you indicated, is when General VK Singh is scheduled to appear. Thank you for getting us that update.